Hello everyone and welcome back to Top Hindi Guitar Lesson. Today I'll be showing you another beautiful song from the movie Kabir Singh, and the song is called Kaise. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please do share it with your friends and keep supporting Top Hindi Guitar Lesson. So, let me show you the guitar tuning. From up till down on E standard. From up till down, from 6th till 1st on E standard. E, A, D, G, B, E. So now let me show you the main guitar intro. But before that, I want to tell you something about the time signature. I want to explain it like in a really simplest way. Like the standard time signature is the 4/4. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It depends on the tempo. It depends on the speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't matter. This is the 4/4 time signature. 4/4. But this song is now on 3/4 time signature. That means instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, the song is like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the 3/4 time signature. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It depends on the speed. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or 1, 2, 3. So now, one more time. This song is on 3/4 time signature and the guitar intro is like this. So what's happening here is, why I was telling you about the time signature is, the first thing you do, the palm muted B chord here. What I'm doing here is I'm playing 5th, 4th and 3rd string. 2, 4, 4. Now what I do here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And at the 4th one, I do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. And then I jump to the 2nd chord, F sharp. From 6th till 4th, 2, 4, 4. So what you do is, you play the 1st chord, palm muted string, and you play 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was the first one. The second one, the same. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The third one, the same. And the 4th one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you do, after 5 you do double timing 1, 2. Like this. And then you jump to the 2nd chord, F sharp. And you do here the normal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one more time. And now comes the singing part. हंसता रहता हूँ. Here you do the same like the intro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same like the intro. And after that, na 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 na, comes the G, A, D, G. Finger position from 6th till 1st. 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. And the A, you can do it here. From 6th till 1st. 5, 7, 7, 6, 5, 5. Or here. From 5th till 1st. Open, 2nd, 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 open. Na, na, na. D. From 4th till 1st. Open, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd. G, A, D. Now comes G, E minor. From 6th till 1st, open, 2nd, 2nd, open, open, open. And then A. And then comes the chorus. Kaise. And then before I said on the intro F sharp, because I was not playing there the third string. But normally on the song you play F sharp minor. D, Kaise, F sharp minor, finger position from 6th till 1st, 2nd, 4th, 4th, 2nd, 2nd, 2nd. Then you do G, D, F sharp minor, G, A. You can do the open A also here. The open A means you play the A chord and simply open the first and second string. Sounds much more beautiful and open, you know. Now let me show you the rhythm pattern for this song. I came in. What's happening here is you do simply down, and after that down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then comes the chorus. And when you do the chorus, you can simply add a bit of distortion. And one guitar can do the clean. And the second guitar, distorted one, can do like this. Just let it ring. You play the chord and you let it ring. Now comes the main guitar solo. It's really simple and it sounds really beautiful. First I'll play it slowly and then I'll break it down. So what's happening here is you play on number 7 on third string, and then you slide down to number 9, and then you do a little bit of vibration there, and then you play one more time there, and then you slide to number 7, and then you slide back to number 9 on third string. Like this. And now on second string you play on number 10, and then you slide back to number 7. Now back to third string, 7 to 9, slide, and then you play one more time on number 9 on third string. And now. On third string, you slide randomly to number 7, and then you play number 5 2 times on second string. Now number 7 on second string, and now you do half bending there. And now after a while you play one more time without releasing the bend on number 7. Now you play one more time without releasing the bend, and you come down. And then you do a pull off from 7 to 5 on second string. And then you play number 7 on third string, number 5 on second string. And now. On fifth string you slide from 7 to 9, and then on fourth string you play 7, 9, third string number 7, and now you slide from 9 to 11 on third string. And now on second string you play 10 to 12 hammer on, a little bit of vibration there too, and then you play number 10, and after that you slide back. And down. On third string you slide from 7 to 9, you play number 11 on third string, and now on second string you do the hammer on from 10 to 12, and now you play first string number 10, second string number 12, and back to first string number 10. And now you play number 12 on second string, number 10 on first string. And now you play number 12 on first string, and now you bend fully on number 12 on first string, and without releasing the bend you play there 3 times. And on the third one you release the bend, you go down to number 12, and then you play number 10 on first string. During the solo you play 4 chords: D, F sharp minor, G, A, and you repeat this one more time, full: D, F sharp minor, G, and A. So now let's see after the solo. There are some chord changes. The first one is D suspended second. You do this after the solo. Finger position from 5th till 1st you do 5, 7, 7, 5, 5. From 5th till 1st string 5, 7, 7, 5, 5. Palm muted, 3 times down, 1 time up, 1 time down. And after that comes my body's D, and after that F sharp minor, and you play G now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You don't play full on G. Do you remember this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 times, like the intro. Here you do on G 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only 3 times. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times. And the fourth one you do on the A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you go to the D. And then you go to the D full, and after that you play B minor. Same here, you do the same here. Before we did D, F sharp minor, G and A. Now we do B minor, F sharp minor, B minor. Finger position from 5th till 1st. 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. F sharp minor, and then you do the same 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on G, and then you move to the A 1 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and after that 1 time on D, and then you play the F sharp. Now it's the F sharp here, not the minor. The second one. D, jump to the F sharp. We did the minor like this. The third string we played number second. Now the sharp is the third string we play number third. D major, F sharp, and then we do half now. B minor, E minor, then A. So that was all. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Please take care, have fun, and we'll see us very soon.